Welcome to the heart of Brentwood, perfect for you wanting to live in a central location where urban convenience meets tranquil living. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to our latest listing, a hidden gem right in the center of Brentwood. But before we get into the apartment itself, let's first talk about the location. Nestled in Brentwood, we're a short walk away from the vibrant Brentwood Mall and the convenient Brentwood SkyTrain station. But that's not all. This area boasts easy access to Burnaby's top 3 rated elementary schools, Parkrest, Brentwood, and Holy Cross Elementary. And even though Brentwood is undergoing exciting developments, our building is tucked away in its own serene enclave, away from all the construction buzz. Now let's go explore this charming 2-bed, 2-bath home spanning over 800 square feet. Welcome to the Fitzgerald Building, a creation by the esteemed Lettingham McAllister. Facing north, you'll enjoy peace and quiet because you're shielded from a nearby SkyTrain noise, and inside, you'll discover a well thought out floor plan loaded with perks. While the building doesn't have a built-in AC system, we've included a ceiling fan to keep you cool during hot summer days, and both TVs you see here are included, eliminating the need to buy and move one in. The primary bedroom comfortably accommodates a king-size bed and boasts a spacious walk-in closet. The secondary bedroom offers delightful views of the lush outdoor greenery, perfect for a child's room or your personal office. The reason why you should choose Brentwood is because of its extremely convenient location. Plus, with this secondary bedroom on the opposite side of the SkyTrain, your child will experience complete peace and quiet. Given its central location, this property won't last on the market for long. To experience this property in person, contact your realtor today or contact me directly for a private viewing. Nestled in Brentwood, we're a short walk away from Brentwood Wall and the convenient Brentwood SkyTrain station. I think I said wall. Nestled in Brentwood, we're a short walk away from Brentwood Wall and even though Brentwood is going under, Brentwood is not going under.